Okay. Now create one more folder and call it as invalid. Underscore messages. Okay. Done. Now go into this invalid messages. Copy the path. Go back to Myth Connect. Create one more destination by clicking this button. New destination. Change the connector type to file. Writer. And here paste the directory name. And here in file name, drag and drop, formatted date. Transformatted date. Correct. Okay. Over here. Make the string in such a way that it should be 4Ys, after that to capital M. This date get is there now. Yeah. After the 4Ys, there is one minus. Remove that. Yeah. Type 1, capital M there. Yeah. After that there is one minus. Remove that. Put 1D. And then after that there is a space. Remove it. No, after D there is a space. Remove it. Type capital H. And after that there is a dot. Remove that. Or replace it with small m. And the next dot replace it with S. Yeah, so what in the end? Type dot HL7. Okay. So in template, what you are going to put is raw data. Whatever is the message that we are getting, we want to put it as is. Okay. Now we have to put it as is. Here, double-click and rename this as invalid file. Writer. Sorry, not invalid. File writer. F capital. File writer. Space hyphen. Give a space hyphen. Yeah, space invalid data. Okay. Fantastic. Next, click on New. No, not New destination. Click on Clone destination. Okay. Click on Save. Click on Yes. So now what happened was the same destination, exactly as the previous one. It's got created. And we want exactly the same thing. Now just rename this destination by 12 file. Write a valid data. Okay. Now change this directory. Remove this directory and put it wherever we are putting valid data. Remove this entire directory. Yeah. Go to your directory. Copy the part where we want to store valid messages. Yeah. Copy that part. Okay. Cool. Now you can click on Save Changes. Now so this is the basic plumbing. What is required? So we have 3 destinations. 1. The first one is to validate the message and return back on acknowledgement. And the second one is to write if it is invalid data. And the third one is, if it is valid data, now click on this validate data message. Yes. And click on transformer. Edit transformer. Click on add new step. So give that name as validate and send. ACK/NCK. Okay, before that. Here the type should be. Select this type as JavaScript. Okay, and now you will be able to rename this. Valid. Yeah, double-click that. Validate data. Space. And space. Say and send. Space A, C, K in caps. Which stands for acknowledgement space. Slash. Space. NAC. NAC stands for NAC. Okay. Now, here is the place where we are going to write a bulk of our code. Now that code. I am not expecting you to write, but I'm going to give it to you, ready-made. Okay. And I will explain to you what that means. So there is 315 lines of code. Okay, So let me try to explain the code in piece by piece.